Now let's talk about queue. Queues is narrow structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. The order is first in, first out, FIFO. A good example of a queue is a queue of customers waiting in line to pay at supermarket checkout. There are four main operations performed on queues. Enqueue adds an item to the end of the queue. The queue removes an item from the front of the queue. Front gets the front item from the queue. Rear gets the last item from the queue. Let's see example implementation. So in our Python project, I will create a new Python file and name it queue. I will create a new class. And I will start with constructor. So in our constructor method, I will create empty list. Okay, and our first operation will be enqueue. In enqueue, we add an item to the end of the queue. Self queue append item. Okay, that's the first operation. The second operation with the queue removes an item from the front of the queue. Okay, so if length is less than 1, then return none. Return self queue pop 0. Okay, the third operation will be front. Gets the front item from the queue. So its position is 0 at the front item. And the fourth operation will be rear, gets the last item from the queue. And -1 because we want to get the last item. Okay, now let's try to create object queue equals queue. Let's put some elements to the queue. See, okay, and let's try to the queue element. Let's see the front element. And let's see the last element. Okay, let's try to run our Python file. So yes, we can see that our first element was ISO when we invoke the queue. So we will remove the first element from the queue, and yes, after that our front element is B, and the rear element is still C.